Welcome to the Oak Avenue Media Center. We're disappointed we were not able to meet you in person. COVID-19 changed the way we did things this year. To be able to continue to serve our students, our library went virtual. We created a Google Virtual Library and a Media Center module in Canvas. On both sites, you can find links updated monthly to the Teens Top 10 program, new hardcover, paperback, manga, graphic novels, award winners, nonfiction books, and so much more. You may even want to challenge yourself to do one of our escape rooms or read a book that's become a movie. We're still checking out physical books. Just fill out a book request form and we'll call you when it's ready for pickup. Be sure to check out our slide for links to our virtual library, the Media Center module in Canvas, our book request form, our Oak Avenue book catalog, our Summer Teen Reading Challenge, and our Overdrive ebook and audiobook library. We hope you enjoyed our short tour, and we hope you have a wonderful summer, and we can't wait to see you in the fall.